How to watch TikTok videos offline. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, make sure if you have stable internet connection, then head to the Play Store, tap on source icon and search for TikTok. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, click on open. Now, now on this reel page, select the video you want to save. Now tap on the share icon and click on save video. Now wait for some time. Now open up gallery on your device. Now open up the video and that's it. You can watch and that's it. You can watch TikTok videos offline by following these steps. So that's it. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.